this. A little fruit, and a little ashoo, and a little dippity doo. What is she drawing? And then Draco is also having the widest grin in history. So his avatar really shines when it smiles. So we're gonna do a giant grin, and we're gonna color in the white, adding some teeth marks to show how happy he is. And then these eyes that are grinning. And for his outfit, we're just gonna make it simple. Little arms, dye some black pants, and some nice shoes. Oh, I also forgot the arms. There you go. Obviously, I cannot embarrass myself in front of everyone, so I'm gonna put on some detailing to this jacket. You know, we got the hoodie, our hoodie right here. We got some pockets, and Draco loves dumplings, so we got chopsticks here. With I can't even see it. Okay, I might need to highlight it. That is dumpling. We're gonna fill it in white, some texture, and then we press apply.
Kobe, malapit magpasko.
Truly am the cutest Draco.
Ang kulit.
I wonder if they're drawing amazing things.
Kobe, gusto mo, wala kang...
Draco dumpling. Gold, don't you worry about it. You gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous gold. Don't worry about it, gold.
Ayaw po.
Hey, Draco.
Kuya, pahiram naman ka.
Ayaw mo nanonood.
Sige na. Kung araw ko nanonood, tingnan mo sara na eyes mo. Okay na.
Ikaw lang ilagay mo ito nanonood.
Halika na.
Ayaw mo. Ikaw.
Eh, sino maging mama mo?
Reveal.
Di lahat. Ayan si